can do a lot of stuff, and we haven't even scraped the surface of the possibilities.
Why you have decided to go into robotic process automation in your business? How this idea came to you?
There's a lot of manual work in making the post, which we need to do on our sites. All the 19 sites, we have to do a lot of posts, and we can do that manually, but it takes time and it's rather tedious work also. So that's why we want to do automatization.
Tell me a little bit more details about what kind of business process you have automated eventually.
Yeah, it's mainly the posting of things. We get a newsletter from some partner or other party which we want to post on our site, and then when the newspaper arrives, then we start the robot, and they will take the picture out of the newspaper, and they will post the newspaper automatically with the picture on our site.
What are the business results of automation that you see, and how situation changed for you comparing before and after?
Certainly, it's a time-saving thing. It saves some time. We can do more posting on less time, and it also saves on some tedious work, which takes time away from what we really want to do. That is to develop the company and also to sell more of our services.
How can you describe your G1ANT Studio user experience?
Yeah, I think I'm not the only one. My son is the digital engineer, so we are working on it together. And we think with good help from your staff and your support line, we actually know a lot about how to use G1ANT now.
Mm-hmm. So after doing this first pilot version, do you have goals for additional business process automations in the future for yourself?
Yeah, actually we want to also to make a robot which will search around on the internet and find information which is pertinent to our users in the small towns, and then also automatically post that stuff.
What would you advise companies who are just thinking about going into robotic business automation?
Yeah, of course, they should look at that. I think there are relatively few companies who are aware of the possibilities, particularly look into the media business, because journalists, they are absolutely illiterate concerning IT, and they don't know the options. I would advise everyone. I mean, it's not a completely new thing. People have been talking about process robot automation for quite a while, but I think it's now the time is really mature for doing something.